This video is in one of the lessons in my Python programming online course. I will explain the application Greeting Card Creator that you're going to develop in the lesson. When you run the program, you will see two output areas. On top is the graphical user interface, and the bottom is the usual text-based output area. In the text-based output area, your program will read the text to be displayed in the greeting card. In this example, the greeting is "Congratulations." Next, the program prompts for a name, and I've entered John Smith. The program will then create the greeting card with this pattern and random colors. Here's another example with a birthday greeting. After creating your greeting card, you can do a screenshot, paste it onto your social media, or send it to your family and friends. You will be using the input function to read the greeting and the name. If, else, and loops will be applied to manipulate the graphics. The structure of your program will contain functions to simplify your code. The random module will be used to generate random colors. In this lesson, you will be introduced the Python Turtle Graphics module to create pictures and shapes. Why is it called Turtle? It is interesting to read from Wikipedia that turtles are a class of educational robots designed originally in the late 1940s. Turtle robots are closely associated with the use of the Logo programming language in the 1980s. The development of this robotic turtle led to the use of the term in the Python Turtle Graphics module. Let's learn more about the Turtle Graphics module.